Hi, Greg Buckley here from Buckley's Auto Care, and today I'd like to talk about vehicle security and the ability to repair your car properly. In today's modern cars, there are millions of lines of codes and multiple modules that are needed to operate your vehicle as you prefer. Rolling the window down, the sunroof, heated seats, power seats, radio, ADAS, cruise control, you name it. Everything is computer controlled and it must be updated regularly, or when you make a repair, it must be reprogrammed in order to fit the vehicle system. To gain access to all that technology, you must be certified. In the last 5 years, Buckley's is proud to say that we have been working with an organization called NASTF, National Automotive Service Task Force. NASTF's mission is to work in conjunction with the OEs and our equipment manufacturers to produce protocols that force us to register all of our equipment and ourselves with the OE so that we can gain access to the highest level of programming and software updates so that we can repair your car properly. At Buckley's, we are certified, we are registered, we have had our background checks. This is all required in order to gain access to that level of software. We're proud to say that we will continue to take that path so that we can remain your service provider now and in the future. Look for NASTF's information more on our website. Look for the logo, look for it in all of our communications, and updates coming regularly. We want you to make sure that when you bring your vehicle in for service, we are the providers that are at the highest level of security in order to make sure that your vehicle runs properly, safely, and securely. Thanks again. Greg Buckley, Buckley's Auto Care. As always, drive safe, drive smart, drive healthy. We'll see you.